except the closet, instead of being in there, stealing from the living room. What are you doing?
Explain everything, Dad.
So the closet over there, stolen from the living room for that far bedroom, wasn't there. This wall was over here. Okay. So you can see the floor. Yeah. The wall's here. The bedroom, the door to this bedroom was here. Looking this way, closets are there. That closet door is for this bedroom. This closet was for that bedroom. So that bedroom had the same floor space as it does right now, and you wouldn't have stolen from the living room. This one is much bigger. But
I didn't quite cover it all in one piece, but...
You want to grab what there is?
Oh, flip it over.
Okay, fine.
Flip it over.
It's a long, long way from ugly, ugly black.
That's firewood. We're not playing on that. That's firewood.
Yep.
Moving and splitting because it's nailed in.
Oh, you know why? These nails
Yeah?
are into the joists to the joists.
Ah.
The joists aren't going to move until we take the rest of the nails out that are over the joist.
What am I looking for in here?
I think you're gonna need some light.
Do you have a light? What am I? Oh. It's like a duck or something.
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting. He would have got down. So this vent is open, obviously, by the breeze that's going through.
Well.
So what's the second discovery?
That. Cool.
Hole into the abyss. This is an entire other room. Okay. Because, Ew. This brings on some anxiety. Welcome to the second update video of this house. It's coming along slowly but surely. Let's start in this room here. So this is going to be the painting booth, and all the trim and easy to paint furniture and doors and stuff is going to get done first. So we have a spray gun that will blanket all the stuff in the smoke killer stuff and whatever color it's going to get painted in. The living room is what it is still. Same with the front hallway. Fireplace is working great. The wood stove has been keeping the house at a very nice temperature for working and living. Well, not living, but it keeps the pipes from freezing in the mild winter that we've been having. Kitchen has been basically untouched. That's gonna be, once kind of some of the construction starts, we can clear up some space and then start pulling the cabinets down and painting them. We might even wait until the better weather, but that will be done. If we look behind door number 1, as you can see from earlier in the video, the subfloor, the floor in the bedroom is missing because each one of these joists underneath where the fire was have to be replaced. Same with the subfloor. So we cut the subfloor out and all these joists are going to come out and put new joists in and rebuild everything from there. But this is the only structural work we have to do to the house. Everything else is basically just smoke cleanup and paint. But let's take a venture into the basement. Ghost stories. So here is where the bedroom is and where the joists have to come out. As you can see, the fire was right here and all the smoke damage is up here. This joist has already been taken out and yeah, the rest just need to follow suit. But everything else in the basement has been cleaned up. So we are extremely close to getting the soda blaster in to clean up everything left over, get rid of the smoke smell, and then start the rebuilding process. This is the conduit wire that goes to the barn, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And it's pretty heavy duty stuff, so it'll run my welder without blowing circuits like everywhere else. This room, this was the room that had all the water treatment stuff and a little bit of storage. The walls were exposed and you can tell how dirty they are, same with the floor. So this will all be cleaned up with the soda blasting. Same with the little bit of leakage that got into the old storage room. That'll get cleaned up. Actually, yeah, we got to take those shelves out. So all the HVAC has been taken down, and these hangers will probably come down too. But everything, pretty much everything, actually looking some of these circuits that might still want to take out. But it's really, really close. All the walls are exposed. The furnace is away from the ceiling so it can get cleaned up. These walls were taken out and they're actually leaning against that wall there. So whether that wall goes back or not, if it does go back, it'll go back in one piece. But now we have access to underneath all these beams to clear out all the excess smoke smell. And as also mentioned before, this is where that extra room is. I don't know what we're going to do with it. I vote blow a door in, and we can use it as a room. But that might not be a right now job, apparently, right?
Don't know. Do you want to get moved in?
Yeah, eventually. The last stuff that needs to come out is going to be this plumbing. This just keeps the toilets usable until basically the day that the soda blasters show up, and we cut all the things out, get them out of there, and then start rebuilding. Are you gonna do a little voice thing saying what we're doing, Mom?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
So this is the bathroom, and it's really nice looking, and I put a lot of effort into it. My name is Mom.
Sound like Marge Simpson.
Homie!
So, welcome to the mess. This is pretty much everything that has been ripped out of the basement. You have the HVAC stuff there that somebody's planning on reusing, but we'll see if it actually happens when it gets around to it.
Don't look at me.
I know. Scrap metal kind of stuff. And then in here, is all the wood and insulation that can be reused, but likely won't be used inside the house. So this garage, the barn, is probably going to be insulated with this material because it doesn't really matter if there's a little bit of a lingering smoke smell in exterior buildings like that.
Looks like you still have a sauna.
Yeah. It has been sold, but they have yet to pick it up yet. What a great house. All right, I'm here on a nice freezing rain day and giving you one quick little update on the house. Before soda blasting, it's happening real soon. So first thing that's different is the counter beside the stove here is missing, so my dad could get to the wiring back here, take out all the burnt wiring in the basement and lead it right up to where it was in the circuit. And over this is the big pit in the floor, and the joists are missing. They're cut out, and yeah, it's a big door right here so you don't fall down because none of the sides of the subfloor are really supported. So yeah, next up is going to be soda blasting. Stay tuned for what's happening next. Okay, here with my sister Rebecca, and we're gonna check out the house after the soda blasting. And there is a nice layer of dust all over the place. What does this smell like to you?
It smells like fireplace.
Like not, okay, fireplace as in like sawdust, or fireplace, or like burnt house?
All of the above.
Great.
But more mild than before.
Okay. So yeah, it's really dusty up here. Yeah, all the dust in here. Yeah, scary noises.
And so that just floated up?
Huh?
Like all the dust was just floating up?
Yeah, like this door. They had this door up and it was sealed on the bottom and it still let in all the dust. Yeah, there's no floor in here, watch out.
Makes the room look really much bigger.
What, with no floor?
Yeah. Oh, that's so freaky.
Don't trust the floor there. So the kitchen, they never touched anything in the kitchen. Everything's just cleaned as it is, but let's venture to the basement. Now you remember what it looked like before, right?
Yeah.
So the beams were done, everything in here, there we go.
Wow.
Yeah, look at. So there's still a little bit of black on some of the beams, but they are significantly smaller than they were. Everything's all like scratchy on this. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see the pattern in the grain. Doing, I guess, like hard stuff, or maybe that's like how deep the char got in on some of these beams.
Was the fridge over here before?
Hmm?
The fridge wasn't there before.
No, it was in the room over here. But it came with the house. Look at how small this. So this one right here was charred enough that it got smaller on one end, but not the other. Yeah, some of them are wavy. It's looking a lot nicer though. All these walls were done because this was all just open concrete. So they did it.
There was walls here.
Yeah, but those were all taken down. Yeah.
Was there a wall here?
Yep. This pole right here. There was a wall all the way through there. So this was all just a second bedroom. You can kind of see the line on the floor there. Yeah. And then I get like you can see where the black floor is there. That was the one room, and then the bedroom was the other half of it. The original cold storage door, they cleaned this up, but not the shelves in there, but they did the walls. Nice.
This is so weird.
With the hole. Ooh, bedroom. Maybe it makes you feel like a really short person. Like, why is the door so tall?
It reminds me of like the safety village or whatever they had in London.
There you go.
It's just like the setup of it just makes no sense.
Oh yeah, there's. Did you see the spare room in here?
No.
Yeah, there's an extra room.
What? Oh.
Okay, let me lift you up here.
That's so creepy.
You want to see?
Yeah. Oh my god, why is it there?
It's under the mudroom.
That's even creepier than like the old basement.
Okay. Okay.
When did you guys discover that?
When they took the wall down.
Oh, that's so creepy.
Yeah. Mm.
Oh, I like hearing noises.
So I don't know if Dad's going to be wanting to do all this electrical here. Yeah, it was really. What's that noise? All of a sudden, the lights turn off.
Stop! Oh my god, my voice is off.
Nice. Okay, cool. Well, they did kind of seem to try to protect the furnace, so maybe we can reuse it. They said like normally no one ever keeps the furnace after a fire.
Is that because it's been like breathing in all the...
Yeah, like if it gets into the furnace, you're screwed. But the filter was clean, so apparently the fire either burnt the electrical to the furnace before it turned on, or it wasn't running, period. Yeah, there, that's the house now.